How to cancel subscription on TradingView. The first things first is pull up any preferred web browser that you want to use. And for this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now head directly to your TradingView dashboard and make sure that you logged into your account. Now for you to be able to check out and go to your current plan that you are currently subscribed on, just hover your mouse to your profile, click on that, and if you drag your mouse directly to your profile name, go ahead to account and billing. Now this is where are your subscriptions or your current plan that you have subscribed on will show up. So since I haven't been subscribed to any of the features from TradingView, so this is gonna be your interface if you subscribe to any of the plans on TradingView. It is usually below under current plan. So say for example, you're currently on a free trial. So what is the option that is saying here is to cancel free trial. All you have to do is just simply click on the red button that says cancel free trial. And then if you're currently on a monthly subscription or an annual subscription, it's gonna go as a cancel renewal. So all you have to do is to choose that option and you are able to cancel your current subscription on TradingView. So that's it. That's how you cancel subscription on TradingView.